Hey everyone, hello, namaste, welcome back to Get Peppy with me. So, कैसे हो आप सब? I hope you all are doing brilliant, awesome. And in today's video, I am at your favorite store, Tirumala Jewellers, located at Jubilee Hills, road number 36, recording some brand new hip belts, Vadyanams. Yes, you heard that right. మీరందరికీ హిప్ బెల్ట్స్ అంటే చాలా చాలా ఇష్టం కదా, आप सभी को हिप बेल्ट्स बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है ना, इसलिए मैंने आज आप लोगों के लिए रिकॉर्ड किए हैं इस तरीके के ब्यूटीफुल हिप बेल्ट्स. इट्स अ ह्यूज वैरायटी ऑफ हिप बेल्ट्स दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सी इन टुडेस वीडियो. So watch this video till the end. They are starting from the net weight of just 134 grams onwards. So watch this entire video and do let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Which hip belt design did you like the most in today's video? Starting with the first hip belt is this gorgeous Shiv Parvati hip belt. Chusar kada enta beautiful ga undi. You can see Lord Shiva, Parvati and also Nandi design. Enta beautiful ga designer. They're sitting inside a mandapam if you guys are seeing. And ikkadakada you can see nice detailing of Lord Ganesha. You can see Kumar Swami and other god detailing also. अन्नी motives उन्ना इकड़ा सभी भगवान के आप motives देख सकते हो. And here you can see the beautiful designs of gods and goddesses, peacocks, beads and pearl detailing. Net weight of this piece is coming close to 291.128 gram. This is one of the customers design. Identi, what happened in between and the video stopped in between, you guys might be thinking. There are exciting Dashera offers at Tirumala Jewellers, which I'm soon going to tell it to you guys. The next design is this kind of a hip belt. This hip belt is complete and whole. Venakadaka manaki mottam belt design la undi hip belt. It's very sturdy and you can see this designs of beautiful teardrop, peacock motifs, pearl detailing and also green color stone. The net weight of this piece is coming close to 162.569 grams and I can show you how these pieces are engraved at the back. You can see the screw detailing, how this design is attached to this belt, and in belt you can see all laser cut with beautiful designs. I'll also wear it and show it to you guys. This is the next hip belt again in similar design that I told you. Really very popular in South India and South lo ilanti designs chala ekku ishtapadaru. Net weight of this is 170 grams dosto and isme dekh lijiye, it's so very beautiful. It does not have any motifs of gods and goddesses. Deentlo motifs em levu gods and goddesses. We anni color stones unnai, seasoned stones to paatu, and you can see ball detailing at the bottom. Really very beautiful piece and the net weight of this is 170.591 grams. I'll also wear it and show it to you guys. This is the next hip belt. Just look at it. Kundan detailing along with plain 22 karat gold with HUID hallmarking. All the jewelry available at Tirumala Jewellers, we have pure HUID hallmarking and the design of this is so beautiful. It's so very glossy and you can see this Kundan detailing in the center and you can see this amazing seasoned stones, color stones, everything making it look so magnificent. Net weight of this piece is coming close to 120 grams. Ade net weight of this piece is coming close to 120 grams and if you like this piece, మీకు customization ఏదైనా చేయాలంటే you can definitely reach us out. We'll be more than happy to customize this piece as per your net weight or any other designs as per your wedding dress or outfit. Up next is this kind of a simple, elegant, beautiful hip belt. Width of this is also not that broad. It's very stylish. Sarees లో చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంటుంది ఇలాంటి హిప్ బెల్ట్. అదే కాకుండా నేను వేసుకున్నా కదా ఇలాంటి ఫ్రాక్, దీంట్లో కూడా చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంటుంది. It will give you a very beautiful, amazing illusion kind of a look for brides who want to look really very mesmerizing on their wedding day. And you can see center this kind of attachments. Ammavaru unnaru center lo with seasoned stones, green color stones and also pearl detailing. At the back I have seen the net weight of this is just 137 grams, friends. So I can show you the design of it once again. Look at the pendant, the seasoned stones, the pearl detailing, everything is looking so good. This is the next hip belt where you can see Ram Parivar detailing. కొంతమందికి ఉంటుంది కదా, నేను నా వెడ్డింగ్ డే లో రామ్ పరివార్ డీటెయిలింగ్ సెట్ వేసుకుంటాను, నెక్లెస్, హారం, బ్యాంగిల్స్, హిప్ బెల్ట్ అన్ని కలిపి మొత్తం రామ్ పరివార్ డీటెయిలింగే ఉండాలి అంటే ఇలాంటి హిప్ బెల్ట్ కూడా అవైలబుల్ ఉంది అట్ ద స్టోర్. ఆర్ ఎల్స్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ అమ్మవారు డీటెయిలింగ్ ఇదే కాకుండా డిఫరెంట్ గా మీకు కుందన్ డీటెయిలింగ్ లో కావాలంటే అదే వెరైటీ కూడా నేను మిమ్మల్ని చూపించాను. सारे varieties available होते हैं store पर. You can definitely come down. I'm actually mentioning the subtitles down below for the people who do not understand a specific language so that you understand the design and the detailing of the hip belts that I'm showing you in today's video. The net weight of this piece is coming close to 135.748 grams. This is one of my personal favorites because it's really very lightweight and it also looks so very beautiful. I'm also wearing it and showing it to you guys. Do let me know how did you like this piece. This is the next hip belt. Lightest of the lightest piece is what I can say. నాకైతే చాలా బాగా నచ్చింది ఈ పీస్ డెఫినెట్ గా. ఎందుకంటే కొంతమందికి బడ్జెట్ ఉంటుంది, బిలో 100 గ్రామ్స్ నాకు హిప్ బెల్ట్ కావాలి కానీ గ్రాండ్ ఉండాలి, లుక్ వైజ్ వేసుకుంటే బాగుండాలి. అలాంటి ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ దోస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ప్రిఫరెన్సెస్, చాయిసెస్, యూ కెన్ డెఫినెట్లీ కమ్ టు ద స్టోర్. నెట్ వెయిట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఇస్ జస్ట్ 98 గ్రామ్స్. మీరు అస్సలు నమ్మరు, నేను వీడియో స్టార్టింగ్ లో చెప్పాను స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ 134 గ్రామ్స్ అని. ఇదైతే చూసి నేనే షాక్ అయిపోయా, 98 గ్రామ్స్ లో ఇలాంటి హిప్ బెల్ట్స్ డిజైన్ చేయొచ్చా అని. This is in deep Nakshi detailing again with antique gold polish. Center low you can see this kind of Caesar detailing, green color stone and this kind of red color beads along with pearl detailing. It's really very beautiful and bridal hip belt in very very lightweight. Next hip belt is this kind of a hip belt of Lord Tirumala Balaji Swami. Coming at Tirumala Jewelers, how can I not record the jewelry dedicated to him? This piece is so very mesmerizing, be it the design, the detailing, the goddess motifs, elephant or the mandapam. Everything is so very grand and divinely, which is like a dream come true for brides to wear on their wedding day. Net weight of this is just 142 grams and just look at the motifs of Lord Tirumala Balaji Swami and the motifs also. They are so very huge. Design is so very clear. చూస్తే కూడా ఎంత స్పష్టంగా ఉందో డిజైన్, ఫార్ నుంచి కూడా మనం చూడొచ్చు. These are the motifs of gods and goddesses అని. Elephant detailing, Caesar detailing, color అన్ని కలిపి it's a masterpiece is what I can say. If you guys want to customize this or you want to place an order at an international country, also you can reach us out on the number that you see down below. I'm also wearing it and showing it to you guys. This is the next hip belt which has beautiful antique detailing with peacocks in it, Caesar stones, color stones, pearl detailing, everything which the brides like on their wedding day. And you guys will not believe these kind of massive huge pieces are designed in the net weight of just 137 grams, 147 grams. The net weight of this is just 146 grams. The reason why I'm telling just is because this kind of a grand piece to be designed in this net weight is really very difficult. We should actually say hats off to the designer to make this kind of a design అండి. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా సింపుల్ గా చాలా ఎలిగెంట్ డిజైన్ పెట్టారు దీనికి. ఇఫ్ యూ గైస్ రియల్లీ లైక్డ్ ఇట్, రీచెస్ అవుట్ ఆన్ ద నంబర్ దట్ యు సీ డౌన్ బిలో టు నో ద ప్రైజెస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ హిప్ బెల్ట్. Talking about the hip belt that I am wearing throughout the video, net weight of this is 192 grams. మొత్తం హిప్ బెల్ట్ డీటెయిలింగ్ చూస్తున్నారు కదా ఎంత బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంది. ఆల్ బెల్ట్ డిజైన్ gold is used in this hip belt with HUID hallmarking, design, detailing, everything is so very classy. What do you feel about this hip belt? Mention it in the comment section down below. All right friends, that's it for today's video. చూసారు కదా ఎంత చక్కటి బ్యూటిఫుల్ హిప్ బెల్ట్ కలెక్షన్ నేను మీకోసం తీసుకొని వచ్చాను. స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ జస్ట్ 134 grams onwards. దీనికి ముందు కూడా I have uploaded videos of hip belts from Tirumala Jewelers which you guys loved a lot. Even I am wearing some of the pieces in today's video. Do let me know which piece did you like the most and what video do you want to see from Tirumala Jewelers next. I'll be more than happy to upload that collection of jewelry for you guys also.